The ZANU-PF factional wars took center stage this week after Paul Tungwarara, one of President Emmerson Mnangagwa's campaign point men, openly divided Vice President Constantino Chiwenga by funding parallel ZANU-PF structures designed to weaken the general's influence. Sanabena mashoko kuda pangweno Zvigananda pangwa iri church ataka VP Constantino Chiwenga kuti kwa subscribe like on the bell icon. Tina unamobda nyuka mchidzi Tungwarara. Mnangagwa's presidential investment advisor splashed more than $200,000 on a ZANU-PF affiliate organization in Mashonaland West through the Presidential Empowerment Fund. The money, officially branded as empowerment, is widely seen as part of Mnangagwa's broader strategy to build loyalty ahead of 2026 and pave the way for their stay in office beyond 2028. Beneficiaries included pabooster for ED and children for war veterans, $50,000 each, while 6 others, among them pastors for ED, vendors for ED, boys Zamdara and health ambassadors for ED, each received $20,000. While Tungwarara framed the initiative as part of Mnangagwa's Vision 2030 agenda, insiders say the real aim is to entrench Mnangagwa's grip on power at the expense of Chiwenga, who has repeatedly complained about the rise of shadowy campaign structures outside the party constitution. Mnangagwa's camp is aggressively deployed hashtags and mantras to sustain his rule beyond constitutional limits. Phrases like hashtag ED2030, hashtag Vision 2030, hashtag Nikainova Kwanevenewayo, hashtag leaving no one behind have been turned into rallying cries across social media, rallies and state medias. These hashtags are amplified daily by ZANU-PF affiliates, youth leagues and state-sponsored influencers, projecting Mnangagwa as the indispensable builder of the nation. By constantly framing governance in the language of long-term goals, Vision 2030 being the anchor, Mnangagwa's strategists are shifting public discourse to normalize his continued rule well beyond 2028. Do mashkwaruda pangwa inachonkonza aiwa panapa Zvigananda ataka VP Constantino Chiwenga vachimuopoza vachifanda ma initiatives anopusha Mnangagwa's rule to 2030. Pina comment section medu kuti mafunguro muri kudipa musoro pechitiko. Pina comment section medu, subscribe, like, hit on the bell icon.